In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a live phone preview while designing in Figma. This feature is incredibly useful for visualizing your mobile designs in a realistic context, allowing you to test interactions and ensure a seamless user experience before any development even begins. First things first, to begin creating your mobile design and preparing for a live preview, you'll need to establish the foundational canvas, a phone-specific frame. In Figma, you can easily access the Frame tool, which is typically found in your toolbar on the left side of the interface. It often looks like a small rectangle or a hash icon. Once you click on this tool, your right-hand sidebar will populate with various frame presets. It's crucial here to navigate to the phone category. You'll see a range of common phone models listed, such as iPhone 13, Android Large, and so on. Selecting a specific phone preset is more than just picking a size. It sets the exact dimensions and aspect ratio that your design will ultimately be displayed on. This ensures that your interface elements, typography, and overall layout are accurately represented and optimized for that particular device. For instance, what looks good on a desktop might feel cramped or disproportionate on a phone screen. By choosing a precise phone frame, you're creating a realistic environment for your design from the very beginning. After selecting your desired phone model from the presets, simply click on your canvas to place the frame or draw it to your preferred size if you're customizing. This frame will now serve as the container for your mobile UI. Once your design is placed within this phone frame and you've started to build out your screens and interactions, the next vital step is to see it come to life through a live preview. To do this, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Figma interface. Here, you'll notice a prominent present or play icon, often resembling a triangle or a small monitor screen. This is your gateway to the live prototype viewer. Clicking this preview button will seamlessly open your design in a new tab or window, transforming your static artboards into an interactive, functional prototype. The real magic of this feature lies in its interactivity. It's not merely a screenshot, it's an emulation of your design running on a device. You can click on buttons, swipe through screens, test navigational flows, and observe any animations or transitions you've implemented. This provides an invaluable real-time feedback loop. It helps you quickly identify any awkward interactions, misalignment issues, or areas where the user experience might be less intuitive than intended. Being able to interact with your design as if it were a real app allows you to refine details, make informed design decisions, and ensure a smooth, enjoyable experience for the end user.